and I wanted to try it from so long, and now I finally have it, and that is this Makeup Revolution like foundation stick. Last product which I got free again from like Purple is this one. This is Makeup Revolution ki lipstick. Hi guys, my name is Manya Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another video, and today I am going to share with you guys like my new purchase from Purple. So what's new and affordable, and without wasting any further time, let's begin this video. But before that, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon for future notification. Also do make sure you participate on my Instagram giveaway. I'll make sure to leave it like in this part of the screen, and also follow me on my Instagram, that is Manya__Patel. And now without wasting any further time, let's get started. ओके सो गाइज, इस बार मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग नहीं की. आई जस्ट परचेज what is needed to me, like जो चीज़ें रिफिल करना था and that stuff. So yeah guys, the first thing which I like purchased from there is this. Of course, it's my top favorite thing, and this is Swiss Beauty concealer, and my shade number is 2. And guys, I really love this one. I had now this in a stock. वो almost खत्म हो चुका है, which I'm using right now, but this is the new one which I got. And ये like generally हर जगह पे out of stock भी हो जाता है, तो it is better you like ले लो एक बार में. So yeah, this is my concealer from like Swiss Beauty, and it is around rupees 150 के अंदर ही है. See, and to be honest, ये कोई भी high end कंसीलर को मार दे वैसा ही है. एंड सी दिस, उसका लाइक कवरेज यू कैन सी. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई गॉट इन पर्पल. एंड ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने पर्पल का जब सेल था बीच में लाइक वैलेंटाइंस डे के आसपास, तभी मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें खरीदी थी. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई एम शोइंग यू गाइज इज अगेन like related to this concealer and foundation, and I wanted to try it from so long, and now I finally have it, and that is this Makeup Revolution like foundation stick, and my shade is F5. I know it looks a bit dark on this camera, but trust me, when you apply, like when I apply on my face, it's perfect. Like it's to my skin color, because iske baad aap powder and everything you'll like set your face with. So see, it's creamy, it's buttery, and it's amazing. Iski like price thi around rupees 500 at that time, so I got my hands on this, and trust me guys, you should once you should try it, and it's really amazing, as well as it's also affordable, and ये stick formula में है as you can see, and travel friendly भी है. So I guess it's perfect. So please go and get your hands on this. This is highly recommended by me to you. Next product is again this concealer, and again it's from Makeup Revolution. Like I wanted to give it a try from a long time, because मैंने बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स को इसको यूज़ करते हुए एंड इसकी लाइक बातें करते हुए सुना है. So I wanted to try it from so long, and over here I have shade is C6, and like foundation में my shade number is F5. So this is F6. I know ये थोड़ा बहुत light है मेरे skin के लिए, but I usually use this one for like highlighting like T-zones and like to highlight my under eye area. So उसके लिए मैं use करती हूँ. But see this, इसका like formula is amazing. It's really creamy, and it's really blendable. See guys, इसको आप even for your cut crease you can use it. See, मैंने थोड़ा सा ही product लिया था, and as you can see, it's amazing. It blends really well, it sets really well, and इसमें ज़्यादा crease form नहीं होती. So I really like this one, and you should go and get your hands at least once on this. And this one was also for around under rupees 500. I got it like under rupees 500. So yeah, this is Makeup Revolution concealer. Finally now I added it to my like makeup kit. Okay, so guys, now moving on to the next product over here is this. I know it's like a bit unusual because I always say that I don't like false lashes, but I thought it to give it another try, so I bought this one, and these are really 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 amazing and I really loved it. This one is from Hilary Rhoda, and the cost of this is around rupees 6, like 16. I was going to say 600, but the cost was for around rupees 60, and they are really good. Like बहुत ही अच्छे है ये. इसकी like जो इसके lashes है, that are really good. It is made up of really good quality of like hair, and the shade which I have is 5D014. so this is one which I have. इसके पीछे दो pricing is 99 rupees, but I got it for 60 rupees, which is still a deal wala kind of thing. So yeah, this one is the eyelashes, and maybe in future I might, put it on my eyes on my YouTube channel as well as on my Instagram. So yeah, this is the next thing which I have. Next product is my all-time favorite. You all know it. I do it restock, and this one is this. Guilty for it, but yeah, this is Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I really 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 love it. I'm obsessed with it. This is my third pen, guys, third pen. So see, this is how it looks. यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है एक butter softy like banana powder, and here is your contour shade. I'll swatch both of this to you. See, banana powder, contour shade. It's amazing, guys. So guys, this is the only shade which is available in India and Indian online website, and the shade name is Dulce de Leche, if I am not spelling it wrong, and the shade number is E7491, and the actual price of this is 599. It's almost around rupees 600, and its durability is for 3 years. 3 years, guys. Like 2020 में manufacture हुआ था, 2023 is इसका last like expiry date, not last but expiry date. And over here is my lipstick, so do not wonder it kya hua hai, but this is lipstick. So I don't know how it's over here, but yeah. So this is Wet n Wild ka contouring palette. Please try it at least once, and if you try and if you purchase any of these products which I am showing you, which I am recommending you, then please make sure like you tag me on my Instagram. I would love to post your like stories. So yeah, guys, this is the next product which I have purchased it from Purple. Okay, so guys, moving on to the next product is this is a beauty blender from Blue Heaven, and I already own one beauty blender from Blue Heaven. वो जो फाउंडेशन वाला नहीं निकला था बीच में, फाउंडेशन एंड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर वाला, व्हेन दे रिसेंटली लॉन्च देयर न्यू फाउंडेशन, एट दैट टाइम आई परचेज्ड वन, बट वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क था स्किन के लिए, सो आई like gave it to my sister, and I just have that beauty blender now. So the next beauty blender which I have now from Blue Heaven is this one. I don't know, it might be showing on camera this is dirty, but trust me, I washed it. इसी की वजह से ये इतना spongy and बड़ा है. So this is the next purchase by me from Purple, and I really 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 love this. This was for around rupees 150, and I guess that was a really great and deal. Like बहुत अच्छी थी, क्योंकि 100 में from local store you get local cheap like stuff for around rupees 100 के अंदर आपको वो 5 वाले नहीं आते. I have tried that. मतलब जब मैं बहुत like स्टार्टिंग में जब मैं नया नया सीख रही थी तब I have used it, but now after purchasing like ब्रांड वाला कोई भी चीज़, नाउ आई रियलाइज कि वो लोग इतने चीप में क्यों बेचते थे. बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू शुड ट्राई दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. सी पूरा स्पंजी कितना है ये, सी. एंड ओवर हियर इज लाइक उसका टी ड्रॉप वाला है, बट द रियली 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 गुड थिंग अबाउट इट इज ओवर हियर. दिस इज द थिंग विच आई रियली लव in this beauty blender. I don't know if you can see or not. I'll try to show you. Is see, can you see there is like ऐसा line over here, but that is not line. जो ये ऐसा है tear drop, यहाँ पे भी सिमिलर एक है छोटा सा टीयर ड्रॉप, विच इज़ टू लाइक आई यूज़ इट पर्सनली फॉर लाइक सेटिंग माई अंडर आई एरिया एंड इवन फॉर लाइक कंसीलिंग माई अंडर आई एरिया. इट्स रियली गुड फॉर लाइक अंडर आई वाले चीज़ के लिए. एंड आई हैव नेवर एवर एवर सीन एनी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर लाइक दिस कि जहाँ पे वो लोग लाइक पर्सनली छोटा लाइक अंडर आई के लिए भी स्पेस दे रहे हो, विच इज़ रियली 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 अमेजिंग. And I really 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 love this. But the only like one drawback, or I don't know, the disappointment from my side is this, that after I used it once, as you can see, शायद आपको कैमरा में दिख रहा होगा कि छोटे छोटे ब्लैक डॉट्स हो गए. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. दिस इज़ नॉट बाय माय मेकअप. मैंने मतलब मेरे मेकअप से ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं था, क्योंकि ऑफकोर्स ऐसा कितना ऐसा ब्लैक ब्लैक कैसे हो सकता है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट डन बाय मी. बट आई डोंट नो ये क्या हुआ है ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को, किसी this black and like just spots. I don't know how it came, but I don't know about that. But I really love this beauty blender. It's really amazing. So this is new beauty blender added to my new makeup kit. Last but not the least is this lipsticks, which I got it free of course. So बीच में कुछ सेल चल रहा था, तभी I got this like concealing like powder highlighting wala. So at that time with Wet n Wild, I got this Wet n Wild ki lipstick free, and this one is in the shade E969 24 karat gold. And see, it just looks like reddish carrot color, and I'll show you its swatch over here. See guys, this is how this lipstick looks, and it's not matte. It's not matte guys, it's kind of creamy, but semi matte finish है इसकी. But I guess ये मेरे पास इसका एक ऑलरेडी दूसरा शेड भी है, and it goes by like थोड़े टाइम बाद ये निकल ही जाता है. like I guess इसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी इज़ फॉर आर एंड 2. उसके बाद यू हैव टू टच अप लाइक करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दे आर क्रीमी, दे आर नॉट मैट. So this is again from Wet n Wild, which I got free. Last product which I got free again from like Purple is this one. This is Makeup Revolution ki lipstick. I know the shade is the only bad thing, but see, I got Makeup Revolution ki one more lipstick. यहाँ पे sticker भी था, but I removed that sticker. But इसके पीछे यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है, so no worries. But see, this is the lipstick which I got free from Makeup Revolution. And to be honest, I do wear this type of shades. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't wear black. I do own a black lipstick. I love 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 dark lipsticks. So this one is again a dark. I can use it for Halloween makeup. And yeah, I really love lipsticks. I also want to like have my hands on any blue lipstick. I really would love to. Like I love this type of colors too. So this one is kind of ashy gray shade, as you can see, and this one is also not matte, but this is like hell like a creamy shade. It's really amazing, and I really love this creamy shade. You can even use it for eyeshadows if you want, because they are like so much creamy, they will blend very 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 easily. So you can use this for even your crease color when you want to do a smoky eye. So this is the last thing which I got in this Purple sale, and now as you can see my basket is empty. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon for future notification. I'll see you in my next video, but before then make sure you follow me on my Instagram, that is mani__patel. Do go and participate on my Instagram giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.